Hey techies, it's Aqua, and I'm here to talk to you about Claude and its ridiculous rate limits. I just want to talk about how overrated Claude AI is. Like, no one's using Claude AI. Like, if you're a coder, okay, sure, yeah, use Claude AI. But, bro, the limits that we're hitting, okay, the limits that we're hitting for Claude is redonkulous. Okay, I don't. So I tried Claude, I tried Copilot, I tried ChatGPT, I tried Gemini, I tried Perplexity, I've tried so many other, AI models, and Claude was one of the ones that people were telling me that it's pretty cool. Like it has a lot of AI features of like making things, making um, making web pages and web programs pretty good, and just programs in general. And it can also talk to your computer with different files. But dog, the hold on one second. Okay, so I just signed out, so I wanted to show you guys how much this thing costs. So Claude is free, right? So you can use Claude, give it a shot. Let me know in the comment section below, right? But I paid the pro version, and it's $20 monthly. It's definitely nutty though. Trust me. You get into a program, you'll barely get the title page. Messing around with the free. Go into pro, you may get the title page. You may get a couple of web pages. You know what I'm saying? Or if you make a program, you may be able to add 3 buttons. But if you add one more button, you're done. You'll hit your limit, and then you'll have to go to $100 per month, which we're not doing. Claude ain't that good. Okay, so now Claude is also with the government. Now we found out that Claude is getting sucked on by the government, the Pentagon, and all that other stuff. You know, Claude is basically saying, well, what are they called? It's like in anthrope or whatever. They're saying that they have the best model in the world, known to man. And I don't know if it's because Trump is sucking them and everyone else, the Department of War, things like that. They wanted to use their AI and their weapons. They want to use autonomous weapons, things like that. Ain't nobody here for that. Claude is even we don't even want Claude. You go to the U.S. government, you're for the ops, the UAPIs, the ULACHIs, all of that, yo. Like we're not even banging with you like that. So you know, even if the government does use Claude, we don't even care. So definitely, nah, we ain't doing that. So like I was saying about the race, don't take my word for it. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, but check out the Claude AI usage. I'm not the only one that thinks that as well. Okay, as you can see, the message rate, the Claude AI usage, ever since they've been getting buzz and clout, they've been raising the rate limits up because they think they're the best along. But ChatGPT and Copilot and Gemini and other AI top tier AI models have like you know close to unlimited tokens somewhat if you go to a pro feature. Free, okay, cut me off, okay, sure, why not? But with the pro version, I should at least be able to finish the whole program. Some suggestions, okay, sure. Don't let me get all of it, but definitely, hook a brother up. If I'm paying for pro, with the UI, the AI usage limit shouldn't be reached. So I'm not going to max. So what do I look like? What I'm saying? Claude is crazy, and it's not even about bread, because y'all know we get bread out here. Like, it's not even beer money. We're gonna talk about it, but there ain't no such thing as beer money. It's called get guap, or you don't get none at all. You know what I'm saying? So we're not paying 100 balls for max. Claude ain't that good. We can get the same. Okay, we can get the same Claude code. I don't care. It was pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie. It was pretty good, but it ain't that good. We can get the same Claude code work, basically the AI agents doing the work with you. I'm gonna show y'all mad videos to where you can get agents and different assistants to help you out with AI tokens without paying for an extra subscription. Claude for Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Psh, stop playing with me. Ability to use more Claude models. You can't use other Claude models if your Claude model's already clogged up. Stop playing with me, dog. You know what I'm saying? Claude is I'm not doing that, dog. So yeah, forget Claude. It's not that big of a deal. ChatGPT still remains the top AI bot in 2026. It's literally the overall best, most balanced bot that you can get right now that can still do excellent coding, that can still do excellent suggestion, that can still do excellent editing with resumes, and help you quick, and just it has the image generator that's really quick, with the different models and the different AI agents that you have. So please, Claude AI can burn. Do not be one of the ones to suck it off, because you can let the government suck it off, but we're not sucking it. We're not doing that. No, because Claude, it's not that deep. It can't be. It can't be. So definitely, give it a shot, give it a try. But if you also feel me on my pain of the rate limit going up quickly, please let me know. All right, let me know. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you bang with your boy. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.